Welcome to e-classes of Deepal School. I am Miss Sipra and today we are going to see a practical and revision video of Standard 1 Decoding Computer Science book. The chapter that is using of keyboard, that is chapter number 4. Okay, so students, look at this. It is an important part of computer. So that is using the keyboard. Okay, students, so the keyboard used to type on a computer. Okay, you may see this one is a keyboard, and just like you use a pen or pencil to write on a paper, similarly we use keyboard to write on a computer. Okay, here you see this guy is used keyboard to type on his computer screen. Okay, then students, a keyboard usually has 101 or 104 keys, that is letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, the letters means A, B, C, D, etc. and numbers means 1, 2, 0, 9, etc. and symbols mean percentage, at the rate, plus, minus, etc. So let's learn this in detail, students. So whenever we go for cursor keys, you see this one is a blinking line which is shown on a keyboard. So the blinking line, which one is seen on your computer or on your screen, that is known as cursor key. Okay, so you may also called it the cursor key is the blinking line that you can use on a keyboard. Okay, so first of all we are going to see the types of keys. That is the first one, the keyboard keys, that is the alphabet keys. Okay students, so alphabet keys are those keys that are used to type poems, stories and sentences. Okay students, so there are how many numbers? There are 26 in numbers. Okay, that is A to Z. So you may see here, these are the alphabet keys. Okay students, then if we talk about the number keys, then the number keys are already marked on your screen, that is with red. Okay, this one and this one are two types of number key that are shown on your screen. These keys are used to type numbers. The number keys are also called as numeric keys. What? The number keys are also known as numeric keys. Okay students, then these are marked as 0 to 9 in numbers. There are two types of number keys, that is one on the top of the alphabet keys. Okay, this one, and another is on the right side of the keyboard, this one. Okay, and these keys are used to do our math work. So then we go for the arrow keys. Okay students, so here you see, these keys are the arrow keys. They are marked with arrows. These are 4 in number. They are used to move the cursor. That is, you see this type of and this type of and this type of and this type of, or we may say these are 4 in number. So they are marked with arrows, and these are 4 in number, and they have the specific work, that is they are used to move the cursor left. This one is for left, and this one is for right, and this one is for up, and this one is for down. Okay, so these are also known as cursor keys or arrow keys. Okay, we already say about it What is cursor? Cursor is the blinking line that you can see on your monitor. It tells us the position of the typed text. Okay. Then the function key, students. So if we talk about the function key, you may see here the numeric keys. Above the numeric keys, the another type of keys is present, that is from F1 to F12. Okay, so keys with F1, F2, F3, F4, F5, F6, F7, F8, F9, F10 and F11 and F12 are called function keys. They have special jobs. Okay, then after that we are show some special keys. So what are special keys, students? So there are some special keys on a computer keyboard. So first one is enter keys. Just like their name, their work also very special for us. So first one is enter key. You may see here there are two types of enter key. First one is this and another one is this. Okay, so what I will say, while we typing this key, then it help us to move the cursor to the next line. The enter key is at two places on the keyboard, and this key is also known as return key. Okay, students. Then we know about another special key, that is space bar. What? Space bar. Okay, so here you see this one is the space bar key, the longest key on the keyboard that help us to give space between the line or letters or words is called space bar. Okay, so this key is known as space bar key, and the space bar key help us to give spaces between letters or words, and also with specific sentences or lines. So then we are go through another one special key, that is backspace key. Here you may see this one is backspace key. Okay, whenever you writing on a paper, you did a mistake, then whatever you do, yes, you just erased it with your rubber. Okay, you may also say it eraser. So just like eraser, the backspace key erase the letter or number to the left of the cursor. What I say, students? To the left of cursor. So whatever it written at the left of the cursor is just erased with the help of backspace key. Okay, then students, now we are going to learn about another key, that is the delete key. So here on the screen you may see here this key is known as, sorry, this one is home key. Here you see this one is a delete key. Okay, so the delete key also works as an eraser. It erases the letters or numbers to the right of the cursor. Then the another one special key is caps lock key, and the caps lock key lies on the left hand side of the keyboard. When we need to type in capital letter, we press the caps lock key, and the letter whatever we type is just in uppercase or in capital letter. Okay, so you may not find where are the caps lock key. This one this one, students, this one is the caps lock key. Okay, here you see this one is the caps lock key. Then after that we are going to revise whatever we learn in that part or in that video. The keys on which we see alphabets are known as alphabet keys. These are 24 in numbers. Okay, these are 24 in numbers, that is from A to Z. Then after that we see the number keys, that is 9, and these are 20 in numbers. Okay, let's count. These are 10 and these are 10. Okay, these are 10, so there are 20 number keys on the keyboard. Then after that, spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. Here you see this one is the spacebar. Then the enter key is most important keys, and it helps to start new line or paragraph. Caps lock key is used to type capital letters only. Delete key erases the characters to the right side of the cursor. Then backspace key is used to erase the character to the left side of the cursor. So students, all the part or all the chapter is done. Then now we have to do the assessment sheet and revise it. So in the next class we are going to do the assessment sheet and also revise it. Okay, thank you students.